Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a major outage of Rogers Communications in Canada, and it affects a lot of services. So since early this morning, cell phones are not working, smartphones don't have internet access through the network, and if you are also on other services with Rogers, pretty much everything is down. And it's creating also all sorts of headaches everywhere, as even businesses are having problems with interact transfers of money. And, a lot of terminals are not working. Banks are warning of all sorts of problems due to all of this communications. It brings us to a fact that when companies become huge and way too big and control too much of a market, a outage actually affects a lot more people. When there are 20 or 30 different companies that do the same thing, at least, one has an outage, the other ones are okay, and there's a lot of other stuff you can do. But when you concentrate all the services and you concentrate in big companies like this that just are huge and now control so much, when there's an outage, it's a major issue. The Canadian government actually has asked Rogers to fix this as fast as possible because it's creating headaches and problems to a level that is quite amazing. So, we see now today how technology is really, really sensitive, and everything what we do, one little outage and it creates a big problem. As for the outage itself, we have no news. Right now, Rogers has no idea because they're not saying anything. They don't know. They don't give us any time frame of when things can come back. It's almost as if they don't even know themselves. And it is crazy that it's such a big outage. So, of course, I'll probably make a video when we learn more and know what actually happened on this big outage. So if you're in Canada, you're on Rogers. Even here in Quebec, we have a smaller carrier called Fido, which is a Rogers now. And I actually am on that carrier, and my smartphone doesn't work this morning. Actually, right now it says that it can't register on the network. So it's even worse than this morning when it was at least trying to do something. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos.